Hey, get up! Ice cream because we have come to Museum of Ice Cream.
ये like उस ज़माने का मटका, then there's these baskets, there's these beautiful मटकेs and everything जो earthware.
And now we're gonna try and see if we get lucky. Part of Singapore. It's a tank.
Guys, welcome back to Pooja Karan Bafna. This is day 4 of Singapore.
Yes, and today we have come to the National Museum of Singapore.
So we are gonna be very
Silent, हल्लू हल्लू बात करेंगे.
क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते हैं कि हमारी आवाज़ इस म्यूज़ियम में गूंजे.
And यहाँ हर छोटी छोटी आवाज़ काफ़ी लाउड हो रही है.
काफ़ी loud.
You can see Nana Nano are playing with Gurtav.
Yeah, and Ritu is
Nana looks like he's in struggle. Nani is taking photo, Nana is taking. But we need to go and collect show our tickets and enter, which we got from Klook.
which we got from Klook. And anyone traveling, please use our coupon code Pooja Karan Bafna and get a 10% discount.
तो यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्शंस चल रहा है तो सब पाथवेज चेंज हो चुके हैं. सो नाउ वी नीड टू गो टू बेसमेंट 1 और लेवल 1.
Level 2.
Okay. So we're just waiting for the lift. Ritu is also ready to explore. We had to come to level 1. We were at level 2. Now we are here and ready to explore. तो ये पूरा म्यूज़ियम है. We're going to see एक एग्जिबिशन. यहाँ ऊपर भी कुछ स्विंग हो रहा है बट इट्स ट्रांसलूसेंट. आपको मैं बता नहीं पाऊँगा बट आई डोंट थिंक वी हैव एंटर्ड द म्यूज़ियम येट. जस्ट लेट्स सी. सो वी हैव कम टू द हिस्ट्री गैलरी. ये पूरा सिंगापुर के हिस्ट्री के डिपिक्ट करता है, बताता है कैसे क्या था. इट्स लाइक अ डेडिकेशन टू दैट पार्ट ऑफ सिंगापुर.
तो यहाँ पे जगह जगह पे इफ़ यू कैन सी ऐसे बूथ्स रखे हुए हैं वे यू कैन जस्ट लाइक पुल इट आउट एंड आप सुन सकते हो वो जो बोलना चाह रहे हैं. दीज आर लाइक ओल्ड आर्टिफैक्ट्स, फिर ओल्ड ऑर्नामेंट्स. ये देखो गाइस, ये लाइक उस ज़माने का मटका, देन देयर इज दीज बास्केट्स, देयर इज दीज ब्यूटिफुल मटकेज एंड एवरीथिंग जो अर्थवेयर उस ज़माने में टूटा हुआ था वो सब लाइक यहाँ पे प्रिजर्व करके रखे हैं. वेरी एस्थेटिकली नाइस. These are a few beautiful paintings.
I just found something interesting. It's a little tank over here. Gurdu, it's a tank. So it's a nice museum, but it is a lot of history, and if you are someone who likes history, you'll enjoy it. But if you're someone who doesn't like history, then probably आपको इतना मज़ा नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर. So you can decide accordingly and decide whether or not you want to come to this. But if you're into history, I swear to God, you're gonna have a lot of fun. हमने ऑफिस कपड़े बदल दिए. आई एम वेयरिंग वाइट क्रीम कलर का वेलवेटी टाइप टी शर्ट आज विद द सेम सुबह जो ने पहना था ब्राउन पैंट्स. पूजा हैज़ चेंज टू रेड. कुंभा सी हियर, से हाय. Mom is wearing white, Papa is black, and Gritu is looking like an ice cream because we have come to Museum of Ice Cream. So yes, we have come to explore this new attraction. ये अभी खुला है recent में and it's been viral, quite viral. बहुत लोगों ने डाला है सिंगापुर में. So definitely we wanted to come here and the vibe is all pink. हम शाम के टाइम में आए तो थोड़ा खाली है. So I believe that's a good thing as well. So let's just go and figure things out. So we are in the Museum of Ice Cream and they have like these crazy machines where you can go and get I think ice cream. So We are going to figure that out. Oh, they're putting in. And now we're going to try and see if we get lucky. Hi guys, so we are at Museum of Ice Cream and it's pretty nice. Every room is different. Of course, I want you guys to experience it by yourself. But this is just one among the room. और हर रूम में थोड़े थोड़े आइसक्रीम्स है जो आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो, फ्री है या टिकट में इंक्लूडेड है. So that way you don't have to pay for it. Now I believe we are going to the room of sparkles or mirrors. So this is an entire room with ice creams. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Definitely a fun place to come with kids. They really enjoy. And now we have entered to one more room, which is bananas. These are all bananas. Ooh. Kumba, are you enjoying?
A lot.
A lot. Last में we have these that we can fill. I wish for and आप यहाँ पर ऐसे दीवारों में डाल सकते हो. बहुत लोगों ने क्या क्या विश किया है. See the world, someone wants to travel. I think ये कोई Chinese में है, I'm not sure. Peace and happiness to all, and of course more ice cream. So it's pretty crazy, it's pretty nice. It's definitely a fun experience. It's different. So Museum of Ice Cream should be in your itinerary. Pita and Pooja are playing in this ice cream swimming pool. Hey, Gidu khana nahi? We are done with Museum of Ice Cream and we have come to Orchard Street. तो सारे बड़े prominent brands यहाँ पर है. जैसे सामने we have Balenciaga का showroom. वो जो सामने है Golden, that's Prada. Louis Vuitton अंदर था. Coach New York is here. So Takeshi Maro एक बहुत बड़ा मॉल है and all these premium brands are here. Obviously यहाँ पर सिर्फ विंडो शॉपिंग हो रही है. Hopefully we reach a point in life where यहाँ से हम शॉपिंग भी कर सकें. But for now we're just having fun, seeing things, what's new in fashion, and we're going to explore the street. That's the plan. ये पोलो राल्फ लॉरेंस का शोरूम यहाँ पर है. This is Takashimaya. So it's called Takashimaya. And सामने है वो पैरागॉन मॉल है. उसमें वो जो देख रहे हो वो गुची की शोरूम है. So it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Right now हम ऑर्चर्ड स्ट्रीट के कोई तो मॉल में फूड कोर्ट में बैठे हैं. We just gave Gildu his dinner, but like we gave him this. It's very nice. We've been using it throughout our trip. One little farm से. It's not sponsored. We really like that product. उसके अलावा now we might give him curd so that उसका पेट पूरा भर जाए. But we're going to Copper Chimney hopefully for dinner. So that's the plan.